Like my nigga Westbrook. What? You can go ahead and go, cause you all in the street, all silly.
Oh, goofy.
Put your hand up, she'll pull you over. Last thing I need on my truck, some lights.
Turn left on the Lake Forest Drive, then your destination will be on the left.
Man, don't you know you supposed to be following the motherfucking law? Next time, whoop your ass.
Ooh. Just get all over the curb.
That's one of them times. He's fired.
She said no.
Under no circumstance.
Under no.
He gonna put that shit out towards the bill.
God damn, he gonna get high. Right
your destination is on the left.
Let's see if it run.
That's what the fuck?
There it is, guy. Oh, she gonna bust all the tires off this motherfucker.
Oh, motherfucking spares. Nigga got 4 spares in that motherfucker.
God damn.
Damn.
Let's check it out, man.
She said, no. Fuck. What the hell?
Damn, boy. You know what he did? Hold on. Hold on. Woo.
Who told you to ask the police?
Huh?
Who told you to ask the police?
No, oh girl.
Really, because you trespassing, bro. I'm gonna put it on the street so you won't get in trouble.
Oh, cool, y'all get you.
Just
Yeah,
left.
all right.
Let me take my battery out too.
That's cool, yeah, whatever. Gotcha.
She know better too. You
Yeah.
tell y'all my sister's address.
Yeah.
I phone with the police. Bitches on some mud shit, bro.
I don't know, bro. She
I
told us
know you
about the car. Feel me?
Fuck her.
Yeah. I don't know nothing about nothing there.
Yeah, you know that.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, yo. Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, if I can take my battery out,
Yeah. That's good. I know why you.
fuck her, dog.
I know, but Brian ain't got nothing to do with me, bro. We just here to do business, bro.
I understand it, bro.
I know, yeah, but bro, come on, we ain't never been on that, bro. We good peoples, bro.
I'm gonna pull it out for you. Look, do me a favor, sir. When you load it up, take my battery out.
Whatever you need, bro. But you know, I ain't never came at you like that, nigga.
Nigga, man, chill out, nigga. Hey, man, chill, nigga. Fuck her.
I'm just saying you coming out aggressive, bro. Like I did something to you, bro.
You know what I do? At the end of the day, bro, I'll just tell you what, dog. If you got a problem with this shit, now let's call police, bro. That's what really is.
Call police about what, bro? Sis. Let me tell you what's going on, bro. Let me tell you what's going on, bro. Hold on. We men, bro. Hold up. I don't know nothing. I run a business. She contacted me and said she want a car junked. I don't know nothing about nothing else, bro. I don't know nothing about no situation, no police, nothing. I'm here to do business, bro. I don't know about what's going on.
Push it up out the driveway.
Whatever need to be done, but I'm saying I don't know what's going on, bro.
I'm gonna pull it out. When you pull it on your truck, take my battery out.
I get you, bro.
Send 'em up.
And this is why I always say, have a camera rolling, bro. You never know what you're running into, bro. Yeah. We don't know what's going on. We here to pick up a car. Shit.
She can't even supposed to be on that car. It got a lean on it.
You got a lean on it? Oh, we ain't taking it then. I'm glad you said that. Hook that shit back up, dog.
I don't even know why she would even think she
Yeah, man. You feel me?
it do, bro.
Yeah. Hey, thank you for saying that too. Yeah, hell yeah.
She can't take that car. It got a lean on it.
That's why nigga fuck bro. Listen, bro, I'm gonna do you a favor, bro. I'm gonna do what you want me to do. You can handle this.
No, he said he's not taking it.
Yeah, we good. Come on, bro. This nigga sleep out here, nigga.
Man.
And nigga, you know me. See, I ain't changed.
Yeah.
Huh, Terry, come on, nigga. What is you on, nigga?
Yeah, like, yeah.
Bitch ass nigga, soft ass nigga. Man, get your ass whooped out here, nigga. However you want to do it, nigga. Fight, gunplay, nigga. I got both, nigga. And you know, nigga. So, that's my whole thing, guys. Listen, man. I'm glad I was recording that whole thing. And this is why I tell you guys, man, when y'all doing this kind of work, have that camera rolling, man. Because you never know what you walking into and what's going on. You see, we pulling up to do legitimate business. He coming out with some hoorah loose rap shit, dog. And this is why I tell y'all, keep that pistol on you. Keep that pistol on you. You hear me? At all times. Cause you never know what you're running into with these motherfuckers, man. These motherfuckers be having baby daddy and baby mama problems and all this old bullshit going on. Man, protect you at all costs, nigga. And if a motherfucker play, put them sleep. But have that camera rolling, man. And I'm sorry for my attitude and my language, but you gotta be careful out here, man. Cause like I said, you never know what you running. We pulling up. This motherfucker how about? Did the police send us over here?
Yeah.
The fuck you talking about?
The police send us over
We here to do business, bruh. If y'all never learn nothing, man, keep that camera rolling and keep that pistol on you and play no games, man. We'll see y'all next pickup. Peace. Yep.
I know every time I go through all that shit, motherfucker, soft motherfucker. Man caught the bitch gone. Fuck
Yeah,
that
yeah,
bitch.
yeah.
You can go eat them little niggas bigger.
Come on,
nigga.
you feel me? Yeah.
Got your feelings all in it. The bitch bought it, his hoes. Man, take
Yeah.
that motherfucker, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, give that a good look. That's what he supposed to do. Thumbs up. Yep,
Yeah,
good.
yep.
Good shit, bro. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, nigga.
That ain't even your bad.
Yeah, nigga, yeah, hoe ass. But you know how broke ass niggas are. This anything to try to throw a loop in some shit. You feel me? Well, I'm gonna take my battery. I'm gonna take it like a little hoe. Feel me?
Yeah.
Bitch ass nigga. Fuck you, nigga.
Well, that's why, man, motherfucker, like you say, man.
Yeah. Yep.
That shit's almost like repo shit.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you feel me? Cause you never know what you run into. Feel me?
I think repo men should have a thing.
Nah, for real, nigga. Badge, vest, and everything. You feel me? Yep.
Like shit.
Yep.
You don't have to get paid by the government.
Yeah. Yep.
All that I'm gonna do is, so you come in the motherfucker with that bad stuff, man. No, we ain't doing that.
Yep. What you say? Nah, hey, don't worry about it. We about to get, hey, we about to start pulling up with vests and everything. Vests and everything on you bitches. Yeah, yeah, nigga. Jump car specialist, nigga, on the bed. Yeah. Yep. Custom badges made. You feel me? Jump car specialist with the vet. We pulling up like the ATF.
Yeah, for real. Just change the whole uniform.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, hey man, look, I need to at least present that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Accuse
Yeah.
ass.
Yeah. How you doing? The RAV4. Pick up the RAV4 for jump. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Pops, I'm coming right back.
Hey, plus, hey, oh yeah, definitely call me back.
Yeah. I got you. Call right back.
Yeah.
346-8467. Somebody's talking to.
Brittany?
I guess I'll. 346-8.
I think that's Brittany, yeah. She told you come get it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
All right. Does I still run?
I think so.
Okay. Is she at work? She's not answering the phone.
Let me see.
Everybody on goofy today. I'm like, bro, I'm ready to pick up the RAV4. I guess. Yeah. Damn, bro. Yeah. No, I got keys. He said to run. He said, should run. Yeah. And they're off FV. Oh, she's crazy, boy. Let me go roll that beautiful beam footage. All this is going on today.
Keep the camera rolling.
Yeah, have me knock him. Can y'all see the fist? I want y'all to see the fist in the nigga's chin, bitch. See the fist. I want y'all to see the knockout point blank, nigga.
They gonna see it up like that. Sleep.
Somebody called me, hung up.
Very good look. I ain't gonna head down like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
See the whole
Wrong with y'all, boy? It's crazy out here.
It's I ain't gonna lie, this past 2 days, bro, it's been weird. Like,
Yes, I had a missed call from his number.
Yeah, this is Leno Gibson. The one you came to pick up the Ford from my house.
Yeah. What's going on, bro?
Not much, man. I think Shawty said she didn't sign the title. You need her to sign the title?
Nah, we good, bro. We got locked in. We good.
Alright, cool. Hey, one more thing. I hope you ain't forget about this car, man.
No, I got you, bro, on everything. Look, I'm gonna send you some pictures today, bro. I promise. Soon I get over, I'm gonna send you some pictures, bro. I promise. That's my word.
Right.
I got you, bro.
Alright, appreciate it,
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, bro. I'm sorry.
Alright, buddy.
Yes, sir.
He want that Sonata.
He don't care, whichever one.
Yeah.
But for real, I think when somebody do put that Arsenal on that Impala,
Yep.
I ain't even gonna do nothing to it. Somebody bring me $2 grand, 2,200. You get your own hood. I ain't doing no more money. Yeah.
That's what he
I ain't doing nothing else to it, man. Y'all bring me 2,200, y'all can have it.
Cause I ain't gonna lie, cause we gotta auction that Sonata.
I know, yeah, just to try it. Yeah, we got to, yeah.
But just like first car 2011, whatever, they be like,
just try it. Yeah. Now you right though. Yeah, you right. Yeah, just gonna do it.
Yeah, the Impala that.
Sell that. Come get it. $2 grand. I got a little car for y'all who want it.
Yep.
I'm not doing none of that. It's gonna need hood.
Record car, so.
Because it run good.
Yeah, it's straight.
Shoot, feel me? Put that, like I said, put the alternator. It's probably need alternator on there. Yep. I'm not doing starter, but it's gonna need a starter. You hear it when you grind a little bit. And that hood, and y'all ride out, leather interior and everything.
For real. I wonder if Mr. Sam got a hood.
Mr. Sam.
Mr. Sam,
I'm gonna ask him.
Or dude on Winchester Road. He got all them parts in the back.
Winchester Road.
Where we take our car to? That's not Joey, is it? No, that's not Joey.
Winchester Road.
Yeah.
Marv.
Yeah.
I asked him.
I'm pretty sure Marv got a hood back there. He got a whole bunch of cars. Like,
come on, y'all. What we doing today? Y'all are getting too high today, boy.
Yeah.
Golly.
You know why she's acting funny? Taxes.
Yeah.
I got that money.
Yeah. Man, that's what we about to do.
They living that rich lifestyle right there.
Better get up out of here.
Everybody's really rich today.
Ah, damn, man. Yeah, out of here, nigga. And when I come back, 250. Yeah, man. Hey, man, I don't know what people's doing today, man. Whole lot of weird shit going. I think it's just in the air. I think we just need to go home and just do the shit we got in the backyard. Holler at y'all tomorrow, man. But yeah, man, so we gonna keep it moving, man. Can't stop, won't stop, man. Something's in the air today, man. People are going nuts. But we gonna get this money though, man. We see y'all in a minute, man. Peace.